Hi kids, good morning. Children, I am very happy to see you once again in this class. How are you all? I hope all are doing good and safe at your home. Children, have you all done the homework? Yes. Children, do you remember A sound words? Let's revise it. Ant, bat, cat, rat, man, fan, tap, hat, bag, ass. Very good, children. Today we are going to study E sound words. See here, children. What is this? This is a bed. 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 Next one, leg. Egg. Leg. Leg. Next one, pen. 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 See here, children. What is this? Yes, this is a hen. Hen. Say together, hen. 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 Next word is ten. 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 Yes, it's 10. Net. Net. Say together, net. Bell. 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 Next one, well. 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 Now writing time. Children, take your notebook and pencil. Write along with me. First word is pen. 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 Write one more time. Pen. 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 Next word is hen. 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 Write one more time. Hen. Hen. Now we are going to write the word 10. N. 10. 10. N. 10. 10. Next word is bell. L. Bell. Write one more time. L. Bell. Now we are going to write well. L. Well. Write one more time. Well. 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 Now we are going to write bed. 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 Children, write one more time. Bed. 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 Now we are going to write net. 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 Next word is egg. What is the sound of G? G. Egg. 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 Next one is web. 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 Write one more time. Web. 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 Next word is cell. 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 Right, once again, children. Cell. Cell. Children, now read the words. Pen. Pen. Hen. Ten. Bell. Well. Bed. Net. Egg. Web. Cell. Children, read one more time. Pen. Hen. Ten. Bell. Well. Bed. Net. Egg. Web. Cell. Children, I hope you have understood. Today's homework is sound words. Pen to cell. Study and write twice. Thank you, children. Bye bye.